So what were you saying earlier about you're feeling what?
The medicine, the cough syrup.
I love how your eyes are like crossing right now.
I can't keep them straight. I'm so tired, but I can't go to sleep because you...
Don't even blame that shit on me.
Okay, well, I'm really hyper.
Oh, it looks like it.
But I can't see, I mean, I can see straight, but...
You're not looking like you're looking straight. I mean, you can see straight.
I can.
I can, as she focuses her eyes like...
I could walk a straight line if I needed to.
Alright, let's see you do it. Get up. Right now. Alright. Excuse my load of clothes. Alright.
Ready?
Walk.
Alright. Kevin, your pants are huge, by the way.
You're yelling.
Ooh.
Is she gonna do it? Alright, you're getting too close to me. Back up.
Ta-da!
Oh, that's...
I can moonwalk. Mad skills, yo.